In my last video, I showed you the easy button for viral text threads. Now the response was insane, but I kept getting the same questions. What about image posts? Can it do videos? Can it handle my entire content schedule? Today, I am pulling back the curtain on all the questions. This isn't just one bot. This is the master command center that automates everything on your Facebook profile. And I'm going to show you live how it works. What you are looking at here is the engine room. This isn't just one automation flow. This is a suite of 12 specialized flows managed by one master control flow. We have dedicated flows for long form text posts, viral threads with color backgrounds, viral thread with images, every weapon you need in this arsenal. The master flow is the brain of the operations. Based on your schedule, it decides which automation or flow to deploy and when. And it runs all of these simple but upgraded Excel spreadsheets. We now have separate tabs for each content. You load up your long text here, you load your viral threads here, and your image and video post right here with files path to the media. It is entire content calendar for the month all in one place. But talk is cheap. Let's see it in action. I am going to tell the master flow to run a multi-post sequence. I'm not going to touch my keyboard. Watch this. Okay, first system checks the spreadsheet and sees a viral text thread is scheduled. Okay, so it is opening Facebook, creating the post with color background, and now it is adding the first comment. The second, you have seen this before. It is executing that viral framework perfectly. But here is where the magic happens. Once that's complete, it updates the status in Excel, and the master flow immediately moves to the next scheduled item, an image post. See that? It just grabbed the image file from my computer, typed out the caption from the spreadsheet, and posted it directly onto my profile. No manual work. 2 different post types back to back. But we are not done there. The schedule says a video post next. Now it is uploading the video file, adding the caption, and boom, a video now is live on my profile. A text thread, an image, and a video all posted from one system with one click. Now you are probably thinking, what happens if Facebook changes something or an error occurs, or if I want to add more post types. So in this 12 flows, you get long text form post, viral text thread with a color background, and 6 to 7 comments threads, same viral thread but in the image form, and then video post, single image post, and so on. Okay, so you get like everything in this master flow run. Now you are probably thinking, what happens if Facebook changes something or an error occurs? This is why I call this a bulletproof system. If any flow runs into an error, it doesn't just crash. The system automatically tries to resolve it 3 times on its own. If it still can't, it pauses that specific task, sends you an email detailing the exact problem, and then moves on to the next post in the schedule. Your content assembly line never stops. This is how you escape the Facebook growth prison for good. not just by automating one task, but systemizing your entire content strategy. This is the machine that works for you. So you can finally focus on what actually makes you money. Okay? So you are ready to have this exact command center, all 12 flows, the master control flow, the smart spreadsheets, and the error-proof logic installed and configured for you. Then click on the link in the description below. It will take you to the page where you can see the full breakdown of done for you Express and VIP accelerator packages. Choose the one that's right for you and let's get your machine built.